Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day in advance to everyone. I wish all the love for you. Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. I always love simple soap bars. If you see my formulation videos, I always make simple soap bars. But this Valentine's Day, I wanted to make something special. So we are going to make this soap as a fun project. In the first formulation, I am going to do only basic, a single color, and in the second formulation, I am going to use different colors here. I am going to share how to color the soaps naturally. You can color the soaps using clays. If you have soap liquid colors, you can use it. That is easy to use. So before preparing this soap, I have decided some theme in my mind. So what are the themes is like I have a pink, brown color, green color and blue color. These are the colors I am going to use it. You can switch out the colors you want. For the pink color, I am using Calamine clay with strawberry fragrance oil. For the green color, I am using French green clay with peppermint essential oil. If you have pistachio fragrance oil, you can use that also. I have an idea like a strawberry mint kind of thing, so I am trying it out. And for the brown color, I am using brown liquid and vanilla fragrance oil. For the blue color, I wanted something fresh, so I am using Ocean Breeze fragrance oil. You can either choose fragrance oil or essential oil, but be aware while using essential oil or fragrance oil and check the usage rate with the supplier details. Using double boiler method, I have melted my soap base and you can choose the mold according to your preference. This is one kind of mold I have. There is no proper measurement. This is just a fun project. I will also share the formulation details in the caption, so you can check down below. If you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe and support this channel, so it will be very helpful and it will be motivating to me to post videos on regular basis. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment down. For the brown color, I would say the liquid color is giving the color, but instead I also wanted to add next time cocoa powder or something, brown oxide, so it will be more brownish color, the brown I want. I really wanted to do that lines kind of thing here with that pink color, so I have tried it, but it is not even working. I don't know, but in next time I will try and let you know how to do it properly. So I was taking a spatula and doing this, but it was a mess. But in the end, you will see it will be very beautiful. Here is the second formulation. All we have used white base and glycerin base here. Mostly I used white base. Only for the brown color I have used transparent base. Other than that, I have mostly used white base only. Recently I am loving the pastel kind of vibe, so I am doing pastel themed soaps here. You can customize the color, scents by your preference. I'm wondering why I have never tried this colorful soap bars. So now it's time to upgrade up myself. I'm going to make this colorful soap bars both in cold process and in melt and pour. Supplier details, all the information is given in the caption, so check down below. People always ask me whether you will take online class in soap making, about melt and pour, cold process. Yes, I take classes. You can ping me in my Instagram account. You can check my description box. There you will be finding the link of my Instagram account and other details about soap making class. Or else you can WhatsApp me directly. You have my contact details down, so you can WhatsApp me and get the full details about soap making. Let's leave the soap for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then we can unmold our soap. It's my favorite time. You can see how it turned out. I loved how it turned out and it smells amazingly. This tiny vase are very adorable. You can easily gift it. Everyone likes it and the children will love this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down. Thank you. Happy formulating.